I think we got to start. Big event coming up today. We just mentioned since WWDC, Apple shares up double digits. Investors, they seem to have a lot of confidence in what they unveiled there. What are you expecting for today's event?
Well, I think a lot of what we will see today has already been leaked out. It's a little different than it used to be in the days when there was such incredible secrecy around Cupertino. So we pretty much know the product lineup, the hardware lineup that we'll see today. The 16 in particular, if you go back to what supports AI, which is really going to be the key theme today. Last year with the 15, it was just the Pro models. This time, even the base 16 model will have the sufficient memory, 8 gigabytes of RAM, to be able to run all of the AI functionality. So that was one of the key questions we needed to learn. We already know that answer. We'll see some stuff around the edges outside of the iPhone, but really this is going to be about the software today. It's going to be about what AI can do and how quickly the rest of it is going to be coming later.
All right, so I mean, I got to be honest, Craig, you don't sound that excited. I mean, we're showing some of the things that people are expecting. Things like more natural conversations with Siri, a dedicated camera button, help with drafting emails. In your mind, is this a situation where we might see people kind of sell the news? Like you said, we kind of know a lot of things are going to happen. If we're not going to be blown away by anything, does this have the potential to be a situation where we see a sell-off after this event? We sometimes do see the stock trade lower after iPhone releases.
Yeah, historically, we've seen sort of small sell the news types of events on these Apple release days, not big. And then, I've seen the data that says over the next 6 months, Apple is usually up, but I don't know that's very telling because it's usually up over any 6-month period. So, my sense is that expectations have been reined in a little bit for today. So I wouldn't expect today to be viewed as some kind of a major disappointment. I think the real question is how investors will sort of reset their expectations a bit longer term. Next year is really going to be the year that people are betting is the big upgrade cycle. And if I compare this to the 5G upgrade cycle a few years ago, now 21, 22, there were so many unique tailwinds of a huge amount of stimulus in the market, pent-up demand after the pandemic, a huge premium on connectivity coming out of the pandemic, and all the carriers in the world were behind that. This time, you don't have a lot of those same that same backdrop. It's going to be a bit tougher, I think, to get the same kind of upgrade cycle.